So this is a demo to show how the custom classifications are like how they work. Just a little demo to provide a step-by-step for how to make a custom classification. So you can get to the classifications via the text classification node here. And we have a template for a pipeline that allows you to use this node effectively. So it's this one. I'm just gonna go back to the one that I had open. So you're gonna want to click on the cog, and here you'll see that I already have a list of custom classifications. There's also a button here that allows you to create a custom classification. And for the list of custom classifications, we have three buttons on the right hand side. This one, the cog is to open up the classification. The pencil is to rename it, and then the trash can is to delete it. And then on the left hand side, we have these checkboxes. So you can select whichever ones you want to be enabled in the DTC app. So I'm going to create a custom classification, which will then open up a modal that shows you another canvas. So we're starting from an empty slate, and usually the root node is going to be a operator. It doesn't have to be, but I'm just going to show you one with an operator. So let's use the and this is going to have handles on the left and right side. Because we're using this as the root node, we're going to use the right hand side. I'm going to select some predefined rules. So let's select biometric data and education. So you're going to want to connect these edges to each other, and you're going to want to add a rule here. You don't have to add a value for both count and unique count, but you do have to select for one of these. So I'm just going to choose less than or equal and a number. Let's do 10. You can also change the confidence threshold. Um, and I'm going to save. So there will be a notification here that shows that the rule has been successfully updated. And then I'm going to click on the settings cog for the education node. And here again, I'm going to set some rule. I'll set the unique count to be between 10 and 20. Save rule. And when you hover over a node, it'll show you either a duplicate option or a delete option. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as is. You can make this more extensive by connecting more operators. So you could do something like the rules so far are if the biometric data rules and the education data rules match, then it's going to follow this. It'll mark it. But you can also make this more extensive and say, or also or if the gender role matches, then mark it. So we'll go here and set this as less than or equal to 2. Then you can save the rule. And so generally you can't, so you'll notice here that the rules, they don't have a right hand side handle, and that's because the rules are going to, they're generally like the end nodes. You can't connect more rules to these, it kind of ends here. Whereas the operators allow you to be more extensive. So we can add maybe a not down here and then connect the or to the not. And